Just because my dad is Mithun Chakravarti doesn't give me the right to use his legacy to get work. Like I believe in my own capability as an actor. क्या लोग believe करते हैं मुझ पे? So the one reporter tracked him किधर भी. तुम्हारा एक इंटरव्यू चाहिए. So dad का कंडीशन था कि पहले आप मुझे खाना खिलाओ फिर मैं आपके साथ इंटरव्यू दूंगा. After winning a national award for his first film, his demand is to get him food. तो imagine that struggle. इंडस्ट्री के लोग जो खुलेआम जाके मॉम का मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, which became too much for me. मेरे तक ठीक है, डैड तक ठीक है, मॉम पे मान जाओ.
You went through a phase where you were certainly depressed. I think
Absolutely.
not many people come out and speak about it, right?
It's very very important to talk about mental health. Because क्या होता है, लोग बिलीव ही नहीं करते कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ होती है. But होती है भाई, सबको होता है. There was this one film, with respects I can't name the director and the film, but I was signed for the film. उन्होंने ऑफिस में हम लोग को बुलाया एंड मैंने साइन किया एंड मुझे चेक मिला, साइनिंग अमाउंट सब हो गया. शूट के 2 दिन पहले मुझे कॉल आया, बोल रहा है कि हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया हम लोग अभी आपको इसमें नहीं लेंगे. जस्ट विदाउट एनी रीज़न. खुद ही बुला के साइन किया और खुद ही फिर निकाल दिया मुझे. मेरे जरिए they were insulting dad. So they were not writing my name. They were saying मिठुन चक्रवर्ती का बेटा, मिठुन दा का बेटा. So they wanted to feel good, whoever they were, you know. And there were many actors in the industry who did that.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am with an actor I can say who truly defines it's never too late to become who you want to be. Memo Chakrabarti, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Thank you for having me.
And Memo, you know, I said this line to define you because I think the love, the adulation you are getting because of Khaki, do you feel it's coming a bit late in your life?
No, I believe everything comes at the right time, you know. And कहते हैं ना कि तकदीर से ज़्यादा,
Yeah.
you know, और वक्त से पहले
कुछ
नहीं मिलता. So I believe कि everything happens at the right time. I think that I'm just very grateful. If you want me to accumulate the love and the comments and the appreciation everybody is giving me for Khaki, I think I'm just too grateful because I was right. I was just meant to get this role, you know, even if it was through an audition. But like me, there were so many other boys who auditioned for this role, but then I got it. And I'm just so grateful that I got it and I'm now sitting here next to you.
True. And but you know, when this project was narrated to you, obviously when we heard Khaki 2 aa raha hai, first of all we were excited to know okay cast kaun hogi, right? There was Jeet Da alongside you. There were other actors as well, right? Do you feel kahin na kahin aap overshadow ho jaoge while working in an ensemble?
Not at all, because मुझे याद है जब Deepak sir, who was the main head of Neeraj sir, day-to-day operations, he had called me to the office. तो उन्होंने मुझे उसी वक्त ही रोल समझा दिया था. उन्होंने रोल सुना दिया था, बोला कि मीमो यही रोल है, अगर तुम करना चाहते हो देन वी विल वर्क ऑन द रोल फॉर यू बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट द मेन रोल. उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि वी ऑलरेडी हैव बुम्बा दा, वी ऑलरेडी हैव जीत दा. तो मैंने उनको एक ही लाइन कही थी, बोला सर आई हैव सीन द बिहार चैप्टर, आई हैव सीन खाकी द बिहार चैप्टर, you are making the Bengal chapter and Neeraj Pandey sir's production, it's my dream to work with you all. You have liked my audition, that is why I'm saying कि even अगर आपने मुझे झाड़ बना दिया ना शो में, मैं सबसे बेस्ट झाड़ बनूंगा, but please give me an opportunity to be a part of your show.
True.
And क्या होता है कि before coming back to your question, I think that you know it's very important when people believe in you. हम अपने में तो believe करते ही. Like I believe in my own capability as an actor. क्या लोग believe करते हैं मुझ पे? Neeraj sir believed in me. You know, Tushar Da, Dipatma Da, they believed in me. Deepak sir believed in me. That is why I'm here. देखिए उनको लगा कि yes, Mimo can play Himel Majumdar. You know what I mean? And when it comes to the overshadowing part, I think बहुत rare होता है कि आप इतने बड़े ensemble के साथ काम करो. You know, Adil, Ritvik, Bumba Da, Jeet Da, Chitrangana ma'am, Akanksha, the list goes on. हम सबके जो रोल हमें सुनाए थे, वही रोल हम लोगों ने जाके शूट किया और वही रोल आप देख रहे शो में. ऐसा सीन नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने भी शो देखा है, ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं है जो कट गया है, कोई सीन नहीं है जो बढ़ गया है, किसी का रोल कुछ भी नहीं. दैट इज नीरज पांडे फॉर यू. दैट मैन ही इज अ माइस्ट्रो. उनको रीज़न है, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज कॉल्ड नीरज पांडे, बिकॉज उन्होंने कहानी पे फोकस किया, हमने कहानी में फोकस किया. बिकॉज हमें पता था कि मुझे पता है कि हिमेल मजूमदार का ये रोल है. वी ऑल ensembled and helped the Bengal chapter become the Bengal chapter. इसलिए आप लोग को इतना शो पसंद आ रहा है, बिकॉज हमारे बीच में कोई नेगेटिविटी नहीं थी, हमारे बीच में कोई इनसिक्योरिटीज़ नहीं थी. वी वेंट देयर नोइंग व्हाट आवर रोल वाज एंड वी डिलीवर्ड.
But if I ask you today, when you look back at that phase, which was that rejection that really hurt you? That okay, I was maybe fit for that role, but why didn't I get it? When was that question arise?
No, there was this one film. With respects, I can't name the director and the film, but I was signed for the film. Matlab, my dad was also there. This was before my birthday, a couple of days before my birthday. So it was like a birthday present for me.
present
So I was very excited. उन्होंने ऑफिस में हम लोग को बुलाया एंड मैंने साइन किया एंड मुझे चेक मिला, साइनिंग अमाउंट सब हो गया. शूट 1 महीने के बाद थी. मैं शूट के 2 दिन पहले मुझे कॉल आया, बोल रहा है कि हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया हम लोग अभी आपको इसमें नहीं लेंगे, जस्ट विदाउट एनी रीज़न. खुद ही बुला के साइन किया और खुद ही फिर निकाल दिया मुझे. तो ऑफकोर्स अभी now I was going to the gym, I was like in that zone और suddenly it मिला. So you have to see, I believe that as an actor ना, this your heart has to have iron steel. मतलब वो अगर नहीं है ना तो then you can't survive, because जैसा आपको मैंने कहा, rejection is an actor's best friend. You have to accept कि यार failure नहीं, rejection is completely different than failure. Rejection means you were not selected for this. That is all it means. हमें क्या लगता है, actually nobody likes rejection. Like when a guy is rejected by a girl, or or when the guy chooses another girl over the girl, everything is rejection in a way, right? So and when we don't get the job offer, it's rejection. But that should not hamper you. It should teach you something. So I always go for that same audition. I go with the same energy. And I've gone to the same office multiple times for different projects. I've been called again for the same project 3-4 times. तो उम्मीद आती है, आपको लगता है यार शायद इंटरेस्टेड है, शायद है, but then कुछ नहीं होता. So but I think even today I go for auditions and Khaki has not changed anything. It should never change. It's a part of your life. Because when you audition, क्या होता है कि the director and the producer can see whether you fit the character. Because just because I'm Mimo, I will not suit every character. I can't play something else who I'm not. I can play Himel Majumdar. That is why I got the role. So it all comes down to that.
But you also pointed out that kindness is very rare to find in this industry, right? I want to ask you, has there anyone been unkind to you, or a kind gesture that you still remember? Kind, unkind, any
No,
gesture?
I've been very fortunate to have very good people in my life, you know, and even people I've interacted with. See, I believe that, in our industry, na kya hota hai, because it's so much on the face, na, it's camera. So you tend to see the soul of people because the camera never lies, right? So I can try to pretend to be fine, but if I'm not fine, you can catch it.
Exactly.
So I have been very fortunate to be around people who have been very supportive, because I have been supportive towards them. I'm not saying that I'm a good or great person. I believe that you need to help each other. Help का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप प्रोड्यूसर को इंसिस्ट करो कि नहीं आपको इसको ही लेना है. You can always recommend them कि like whenever I do a project, I'll always ask कि आपकी casting हो गई है, अगर नहीं हुई तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, आप एक बार मिल लो. That's all I do. I don't say that आप इनको ही लो, because again it comes back to the same thing ना. ऑडिशन करेंगे, पसंद आएंगे, लेंगे तो बात अलग है, बट उससे क्या होता है, कॉन्टैक्ट्स बढ़ते हैं, फेमिलियरिटी बढ़ती है. शायद इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, मे बी दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मेरे दोस्त को ले ले. You know what I mean? So that is very, very important, and I have been very fortunate to find those people. Because of them only I got Khaki.
But if I ask you, what has been your first of the memories of being on film sets?
My first film जो मैं shooting जो कर रहा था, it got shelved unfortunately. It was called He the Only One. It was a remake of a Telugu film, Atunu Ukkade. बहुत बड़ी blockbuster थी वो तेलुगु film की. तो I was shooting, the first day of my shoot was हम लोग गाने का sequence कर रहे थे. Remo sir was the choreographer. तो and of course Remo sir इतने बड़े choreographer, हम लोग रामोजी में कर रहे थे in हैदराबाद. Rain sequence था plus dance था. तो जब मैं ready हो रहा था, I was so nervous because see क्या होता है, I've seen my dad throughout, but then आप उस position में हो, क्योंकि जैसे अभी आप कभी कभी बहुत फ़नी हो जाता है, कमेंट्स में कभी कभी लोग मुझे एक्टिंग लेसन्स देते हैं कि तुम ऐसा करो वैसा करो. इट्स गुड, ठीक है, एवरीबडी इज एंटाइटल्ड टू देयर ओपिनियन, बट जब अगर आप उनको कैमरा के सामने खड़ा कर लो, इट चेंजेस एवरीथिंग. अभी क्या है, नाउ इट्स सेकंड नेचर. अभी हॉन्टेड की शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ, नाउ इट्स सेकंड नेचर के यार कैमरा है. नाउ यू डोंट थिंक कि यार कैमरा एक्शन कट हो रहा है. तो ऐसे बहुत होता है. तो फर्स्ट डे व्हेन आई शॉट, आई न्यू दैट नर्वसनेस. मतलब पैर काँप रहे थे, दिखा नहीं रहा था किसी को, ऐसे बैठ के पैर काँप रहे, शिवर कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज इतना स्कैर्ड था मैं कि यार फाइनली हो रहा है. एक होता है कि होने वाला है और एक हो रहा है. सेकंड एग्जाम, आप
True.
पढ़ते हो but then finally the exam comes. You know?
Exactly.
Yes.
But do you feel, you know, I have to tell you this. When I told my team, na, ki, okay, I'm interviewing you, the first thought was, okay, that haunted actor, that haunted star.
Yes.
I want to ask you today, when Haunted released, it gave you the adulation maybe an actor would yearn for, right?
Yes.
But when things didn't turn out the way maybe you envisioned it or anyone would,
Absolutely.
was it an heartbreaking phase?
It was very confusing, more than heartbreaking, because see, for 14 years ago, I'm not the same guy I am today. I was very cocky back then. मुझे लग रहा है अरे मेरी पिक्चर्स हिट हो गई, मैं तो सोलो स्टार हूँ, इतने बड़े बड़े स्टार्स में मेरी एक फिल्म आ गई है, तो अभी मुझे तो ऑफर्स की लाइन लग जाएगी.
It even clashed with one of the big films. If I'm
Yes,
not
it did, yeah. But we became a hit, you know, Haunted became a very big hit. तो but उसके बाद मुझे ऑफर्स नहीं आई, तो I was very confused कि यार ये क्यों हो रहा है. जिमी के वक्त तो सबने मजाक उड़ाया, फिर हॉन्टेड अभी हिट हो गई तो अभी तो काम मानने चाहिए. बट अगेन तकदीर की बात. That is a very important part of my life, you know. Haunted is my one solo big hit. Now we're shooting the sequel, that's a different story. But उस वक्त I was very confused कि यार ये क्यों हो रहा है. सोलो हिट देने के बाद भी नहीं हो रहा है. But then it's all about destiny and fate.
And like you said ना, मजाक उड़ाया गया. If today I ask you, आजकल ना सोशल मीडिया आने से आई थिंक और ज़्यादा हो गया कि criticism are easily even known by actors.
Criticism नहीं, hate comments ज़्यादा होते
हाँ,
हैं. गाली करो ज़्यादा होती है.
Exactly. Now एक बोलते हैं ना below the belt चली गई ये चीज़ें. उस टाइम क्या criticism आप तक आए थे and did it bog you down that time? Because बोलते हैं ना एक newcomer थे, energy वैसी थी. What was some of the meanest things you heard about yourself?
अरे the meanest things were they were making fun of my mom. Like dad का चलो I understand. Yeah, I understand कि चलो dad का देखो legacy है. कभी कभार क्या होता है मेरे जरिए they were insulting dad because you can't pinpoint and say कि मिथुन चक्रवर्ती इसमें खराब था. You know what I mean? Because his legacy is so strong. तो उनको लगा चलो मीमो के थ्रू हम लोग मिथुन चक्रवर्ती को भी गाली दे देंगे. So they were not writing my name. They were saying मिथुन चक्रवर्ती का बेटा, मिथुन दा का बेटा. So they wanted to feel good, whoever they were, you know. So but then it became too much when I was going to my mother. And there were many actors in the industry who did that. Forget normal people, forget the audience. It was the industry के लोग जो खुलेआम जाके डैड मॉम का मजाक उड़ा रहे थे, which became too much for me. कि यार मेरे तक ठीक है, डैड तक ठीक है, मॉम पे मान जाओ, you know. Yeah. But then I think we all go through it.
But did you ever feel that pressure to carry on your dad's legacy?
पहले लगता था, अभी नहीं लगता. अभी I'm just playing the characters which I believe. Because क्या होगा, like if I go on set thinking that every shot has to be better than my father, वो कभी नहीं हो पाएगा. Because he is him. Mithun Chakravarti will always be only one Mithun Chakravarti. You know, I can't imitate him. Even if I imitate him, I won't be able to reach his stature.
True.
And I just want to be Mimo. You know, I want to be remembered. जैसे आपने कहा भी कि haunted का hero.
Yeah.
So that is my legacy. You see what I see?
True. Yeah.
Like now when you see Khaki, I was Khaki में था. So
Yeah.
that is enough for me. I cannot compete with my father. I do not want to compete with him. I just want to be Mimo. That is
But you know,
important.
what are some of the learnings you have got from his setbacks? Because I'm sure Mithun Daki, whenever we read the legacy, we know him as the disco dancer of Bollywood, right? But even he has had his shares of say, ups and downs, and he has been vocal about it, right? What have you learned from his downs, if I ask today?
That my downs are nothing compared to his. You know, like if a man like him who has to, जब उनको नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला था फर्स्ट फिल्म के लिए, मृगया के लिए, एक रिपोर्टर उनको ढूंढ रहा था कहीं. तो बिकॉज डैड तब कुछ नहीं था, आदिवासी का रोल किया था, मृगया के लिए नेशनल अवार्ड मिल गया, नोवेयर टू बी फाउंड. तो वन रिपोर्टर ट्रैक्ड हिम किधर भी, तो बोला कि तुम वही हो ना जिसको मिला है. बोला हाँ सर मैं ही हूँ. तो बोला आप तुम्हारा एक इंटरव्यू चाहिए. सो डैड का कंडीशन था कि पहले आप मुझे खाना खिलाओ फिर मैं आपके साथ इंटरव्यू दूंगा. आफ्टर विनिंग अ नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर हिज फर्स्ट फिल्म, हिज डिमांड इज टू गेट हिम फूड. तो इमेजिन दैट स्ट्रगल. उस वक्त भी उनका वो स्ट्रगल था. तो कंपेयर आई ओनली लर्न के यार if a man from that level of struggle can come and become this international icon, तो मेरे struggles तो कुछ नहीं उनके सामने, you know.
True.
I know that I get pain for my struggles, but when I think of his struggles, my pains are nothing.
True.
My struggles are nothing.
And you know, Memo, when people loosely attach words to you, कि अरे ये तो nepo kid है, he is a nepotism piece, if I say.
Absolutely.
How do you react? Because कहीं ना कहीं, if I see your journey today, it has been like a reverse nepotism for you, if I
Absolutely.
quote it that way.
I want to be the poster child of anti-nepotism. You know, I think
You
that's
can
the
say
right
that.
way.
You
Yes.
can
No,
say that.
but I think honestly, when you talk about nepotism, I think it's got a very bad rep. I'll tell you why. Because देखिए क्या होता है. If you are from a family of lawyers, you grow up fascinating law, correct? If you grow up in a family of doctors, you will be attracted towards medicine, whichever. I've grown up in the field of entertainment. I'm bound to be attracted towards this, you know. बचपन से मैंने डैड को देखा है. Mom has been an actress, my wife is an actor, my in-laws have been into movies, my siblings are into movies. This is our world, you know. So we're bound to be attracted towards it. Nepotism is nothing. वो क्या होता है? It will just give you one opportunity, or maybe max to max two, if you're lucky. But then it's your destiny and your talent. That's the only thing. Because see, if we grow up around these people, so they know us. That doesn't mean they owe us anything. Just because I know directors and producers because of dad, they are not answerable to me to give me work. You know what I mean? Now, dad, ऐसा तो नहीं कि dad ने नीरज सर को फ़ोन किया. Like नीरज सर selected me because of the audition. ये मैं क्यों बोलते रहता हूँ? Because I want them to know कि यार the process is same for everyone. So destiny plays a very important role, and the way you look at life is very important. You know?
But you know, अभी आपने बोला, even when Namoshi made his debut, ना, he said कि okay, my dad has never made a call for me or my brother. It's always we who have carved our way to reach where we are today, right? But remember, if I ask you, your contemporaries, say Ritik or Abhishek, they got that support from their dad or say parents. किसी ने फिल्म बनाई, किसी ने रिकमेंडेशन दिया, राइट? इफ आई आस्क यू टुडे, अगर लगता है अगर मिथुन दा वो एक कॉल करते या एक फिल्म बनाते आपके लिए, मे बी टुडे द स्टैचर वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट.
Not at all, because we don't even want him to. Why? I'll tell you, because dad has never taught us that. And when it comes to my contemporaries, see, I love them, I respect them a lot. And see, as a father, as a mother, who wouldn't want their child to get the best in life?
True,
you know?
true.
आप किसी parent से पूछो, they want the best. Now my best friend, he has a daughter. His life is his daughter now. He wants to give everything to her. So as a parent, he knows what that feels like. You know what I mean?
True.
So when it comes to them and their choices, I respect that. That is what. My father wanted me to go through this. He wants Namoshi to go through this. Namoshi is now coming in the Delhi files, Vivek Agnihotris. So he got it through an audition, through a look test. It's not because of dad.
True.
Proper audition kiya. You know what I mean? There is a different feeling to it. Like, yeah, I'm standing, I'm fighting my own battles. Yes, the legs get tired, you know. You get bruises. You feel like there is no hope. But then you fight again. Uska ek alag maza hai. Today, sitting next to you, talking to you about my accomplishments is a very proud feeling for me.
Obviously.
कि यार ये process मैंने खुद किया है. Regardless of how my contemporaries have achieved it, they themselves are a burst of talent. Their path was different, my path is different.
But have you ever been friends with them, or maybe that close bond you have
See,
shared
I have
with
never
them?
met Hrithik Roshan, although I'm his biggest fan. I believe that man is perfect. वो कुछ भी करता है वो आदमी is perfect. Anything he does. I've met Abhishek a couple of times. He's done Guru with Dad, you know.
Yeah.
I remember Abhishek telling me, I remember for He, जो आपको मैंने कहा था ना वो film. So I had gone to take Bachchan sir's blessings. So Abhishek was there, you know, and he told me that Mimo, no matter what the world throws at you, you fight them, you know, prove them hard that you're not going to give up. And I still remember what he says, and I believe in what he believes in.
But you know what keeps you so secure at this, stage of ask? You admitted कि okay, you auditioned for the role. You were briefed कि okay, ensemble role है. Maybe it is not that great, but still you chose to be a part of it, right? I want to know where does this security, if I ask today, comes from?
It comes from maturity, honestly. It comes from empathy. It comes from understanding कि यार everybody deserves an opportunity. If Neeraj sir has given me the opportunity, there are so many boys and girls who also want that opportunity.
True.
You know, and in fact, जैसे आपने कहा audition से मुझे मिला, I did a show for Amazon Mini. It was called Revolution. It's coming out very soon. तो उसमें जो मेरे co-stars थे, we all have this one WhatsApp group where we share each other's casting requirements with each other. Like समझो अगर आपको कुछ आए तो आप मुझे भेजते हो, मुझे कुछ आए तो मैं उनको भेजता था. So they gave me the casting call for Khaki, the Bengal chapter. So you know, see, kindness is very important. हमें क्या लगता है, अरे यार मुझे opportunity है, मैं उसको क्यों दूँ? What if अगर मुझे नहीं मिला उसको मिल गया? So it really helps. You need to help each other. You know, हमारे दुनिया में unfortunately there are so many wars and so many people trying to topple each other. Can we forget that kindness is the biggest strength?
Strength, true.
उनके kindness की वजह से Happy and Gaurav Sharma, उनके kindness की वजह से मुझे आज खाकी मिली. And I'm going to say this everywhere, because Happy's friend was the casting director, one of the casting directors. तो I contacted them. They told me कि इनकी audition हो रहा है. तो मैंने बात की, उन्होंने मुझे self test के लिए भेजा एक dialogues. मैंने सेल्फ टेस्ट ऑडिशन बनाया, मैंने भेजा, फिर कुछ कॉल बैक नहीं आया, तो मुझे लगा नहीं मिला. लाइक ऑल द थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ऑडिशंस आई हैव गिवन, ये भी नहीं मिलेगा. नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज एन एक्टर्स लाइफ. रिजेक्शन हैज टू बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. दैट डजंट मीन यू आर अ बैड एक्टर, जस्ट मीन्स दैट फॉर दैट प्रोजेक्ट यू वर नॉट मेंट. वही दैट इज़ द फिलोसफी आई थिंक साइकोलॉजी एवरी एक्टर शुड नो.
Yeah.
बट मुझे 10 दिन के बाद कॉल आया, जैसे आपको मैंने कहा, फिर उन्होंने बोला कि दीपक सर इज़ कॉलिंग यू टू द ऑफिस.
True.
फिर उन्होंने मुझे ब्रीफ किया, उन्होंने
हाँ.
बट उन्होंने ऐसे शुरू किया था, उन्होंने कहा था कि देखो मीमो सब कास्टिंग हो चुकी है एंड दिस इज समथिंग विच वी ऑल हैव हर्ड, कास्टिंग हो चुकी है
True.
कि यार
Casting हो
कल ही
चुकी है.
फाइनल है, अरे यार नहीं मिलेगा मुझे ये, एंड अंदर ही अंदर आई एम लाइक सो दिस थिंग, अरे यार इवन दिस इज गॉन. बट ही सेड इसमें रोल है, सपोर्टिंग रोल है, तुमको करना है. देन आई व्हिच आई टोल्ड यू नाउ,
Yeah,
यस
yeah.
आई
Things
वांट टू, यस
went
आई
on.
जस्ट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द शो. बिकॉज आज के ज़माने में आई थिंक एक्सेप्ट द बिग स्टार्स, यू नो, एक्सेप्ट द खान्स एंड यू नो अक्षय कुमार एंड ऋतिक रोशन एंड अजय देवगन, ऑल ऑफ देम, सॉरी, हम सब जो है ना, हम लोग बंद मुट्ठी नहीं है, वी आर ओपन, सो वी कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट विद रोल्स. व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू वांट टू सी सलमान भाई एज अ सिकंदर,
Yeah.
you know, but
Yeah.
Mimo can play Himel Majumdar because I'm
True.
still out there, I'm still finding my position, you know
Yeah.
what I mean. And with OTT you can experiment.
True.
Tomorrow now जैसे Haunted 2 अभी थिएटरों में आएगी, which is the sequel, for that I have to carry on the legacy of Haunted. But when it came to
Yeah.
Khaki, I can play anybody.
True.
In fact, I'm waiting to play negative roles, I'm waiting to play villains, I'm waiting to
Yeah.
play characters which challenge me as an actor.
True.
Because अगर आप safe खेलोगे तो then you know there's no growth.
True.
You feel that spice of life is not there.
True.
And with OTT you can do that. So that is the reason I'm so chilled and secure, is because I know that what my role is. And my dad said a very good thing. He said, Mimo, अगर तुम अच्छे actor हो ना, तुम्हारी पीठ की तारीफ होगी. Your back can perform and go. So it doesn't matter how many scenes you have in a film or a show, or how many dialogues. आप देखेंगे, जैसे आप खाकी देखेंगे, there are so many scenes where I'm not even talking. You know, जीत दा कर.
Just the expression.
Exactly. So it is enough. अगर आपने अच्छी एक्टिंग की ना, तो लोग उसको भी पकड़ लेंगे.
True.
And today's audience has become very smart with OTT coming on your phone, not just because of Indian shows, because of international shows.
Sure as well.
अभी Adolescence कितना बड़ा हिट हो गया है,
Yeah.
because सब देख रहे हैं. तो दुनिया में सब देख रहे हैं ना Adolescence, तो उनके भी रीच, उनकी जो लिमिटेशन है वो अभी अनलिमिटेड हो गई है. तो you have to fit in there, you have to give them performances, you can't just give them Soshagiri, you have to give them performances, and that is why I feel like this is the best time to be an actor.
Exactly. But you know, Mimo, you just now said कि आपने हज़ारों auditions दिए हैं, काफ़ी बार rejections भी face किया है, right? I mean, no one would expect that from you, coming from the legacy you have come from. Let's admit that,
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely.
How have you dealt with that phase? And अभी easy लगता है बोलना कि ठीक है, I gave an audition, I got rejected. But was it a challenging phase for you when multiple times you got rejected?
Like people keep asking me that, you know, Mimo, you're coming back after a long time. I say I never left.
No, you never left.
I just did not get the opportunity. And again, kismat ki baat. You know, I believe destiny
True.
plays a very, very important thing. And why do I say that is because now when I go to a gym, forget a party, if I go to a normal gym where I'm working out, there are thousands of boys and girls who are far better than me when it comes to looks, when it comes to talents, when it comes to hunger. But destiny.
Kismat. True.
It is all it comes down to, because fate, she is, you know, she picks who she wants to. You cannot tell her कि यार I am deserving. She will decide who she wants to pick, you know. So destiny is there. And when it comes to rejections, जैसा आपको मैंने कहा, Aram Nagar 1 and 2, I know every office because I've been there. You know, I've auditioned for every office, and I believe that as an actor, बहुत important होता है उस process से गुजरना, because it teaches you humility. Just because my dad is Mithun Chakravarti doesn't give me the right to use his legacy to get work. Because मेरा talent तो फिर अभी आप जो देख रहे हैं हिमेल मजूमदार in Khaki is because I auditioned for Khaki. I got Khaki through that process. You know, so that is very, very important as an actor.
But you know, you have also many a times, I would say, admitted you went through a phase where you were, say, certainly depressed. I think
Absolutely.
not many people come out and speak about it, right? How did Madalsa support you that time?
She's been my anchor. She's been absolutely supporting me in everything I do. And when it comes to depression, I think that it's very, very important to talk about mental health. अभी धीरे धीरे ये बात बाहर आने लगी है, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिकॉज क्या होता है, लोग बिलीव नहीं करते कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ होती है, बट होती है भाई, सबको होता है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ लो डे, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्चुअल डिप्रेशन, यू नो. एंड पीपल डोंट इवन वांट टू एडमिट टू देमसेल्व्स कि उनको डिप्रेशन है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू नीड टू गो फाइंड अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट और थेरेपी और मेडिकेशन, नथिंग. जस्ट टॉक टू समवन, you know, talk to your best friend, talk to your parents, your siblings. कोई ना कोई venting से ना you feel a lot better.
Yeah,
Because therapy भी क्या होती है, therapy is just venting. वो उनके पास कोई मैजिक
जादू की
छड़ी नहीं है कि ऐसे करेंगे ठीक हो जाओगे, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's very very important to talk about mental health, and if I can help people by saying this, I'll be very happy. And when it comes to Maddie, she has been my anchor, she has been my strength, you know, she's really supported me and she's been my best friend.
Yeah.
You know, her accomplishments are mine, my accomplishments are hers, so it's been a very good feeling.
Well, did you enjoy seeing her in Anupama and the kind of
Absolutely.
response she got? I mean,
अरे इट्स बिकॉज हम लोग जब भी बाहर, आज भी जब बाहर जाते हैं लोग उनको पहचानते हैं.
yeah,
एज अ हस्बैंड यू फील सो प्राउड.
yeah,
दिस इज माय वाइफ, यू नो, दिस हर फैन फॉलोइंग, शी हैज डन इट.
exactly.
क्योंकि मैंने 4 साल देखा है
हाँ,
कि हर दिन सुबह 6 बजे निकलो, रात को 11 बजे आओ. लाइक शी वुड स्लीप इवन व्हाइल ईटिंग द फूड. Like she would be so tired, you know, because daily soap, such a big important role, but she achieved that. उनका वो है, and it just feels very proud.
But you know, Memo, I also want to ask, when you have grown in such a family that comes from an impressive, I would say legacy, I would say, if I can use the word right, as a star kid बोलो या आपकी family पे ना एक बहुत नज़र रहती है लोगों की, your life is always under scrutiny, right? Whenever things are written about your personal life or your parents' personal life in today's time, okay, this was the thing, link-ups थे,
Fair
sets
enough.
पे ये equations थे. As a child, does it ever affect you?
Not anymore. Not anymore. Because I believe that we know the truths.
Okay.
क्या होता है, like as a family we have discussed everything.
Oh, that
Okay?
is a good.
Yes, because now we are friends. You know, now me and my mom and dad, we have a very friendly equation.
Yeah.
They will always be my parents, but हमारे बीच में वो friendship का एक banter है. तो I know everything. I know what the truth is. I know what the lie is. अभी जिसको जो लिखना है वो लिखेंगे, जिसको जो बात करनी है वो करेंगे. Because that is a part of the package.
Yeah.
Because जैसे आपने कहा that you come from a legacy where people are always trying to find something.
Something, yeah.
कुछ तो निकालना है, कुछ लिखना है. हम लाइक ठीक है भाई, करना दो उनको, हमें तो पता है ना. That is not disrupting our peace.
Yeah.
हाँ, पढ़ के किसी को भी लगेगा कि यार क्या लिख रहे, कुछ भी लिखते. मैं खुद पढ़ के हंसता भी हूँ, पर ये तो हुआ ही नहीं, ये तो उन लोग डाल रहे हैं. You know what I mean?
A lot.
तो you just read it and then you forget about it. Because it's just like that. आज कोई पढ़ेगा, कल भूल जाएंगे. तो सबकी लाइफ तो हम लोग के ऊपर तो रिवॉल्व नहीं करती है. नो, everybody has their own problems. Who has the time? You know?
But you know, if a Mithun Das film is remade and you are casted in it, which one would it be?
Phool
And
or
which
Angar,
one?
any day. Phool or Angar. It's my favorite. I know Disco Dancer is his legacy,
Yeah.
but Phool or Angar, any day. Because I believe that's my favorite film,
Yeah.
and I would love to play the character he's played.
But you know, on a wrapping note, while you have made us excited about Hunter 2, I want to know now what are you hungry for and looking forward to maybe work in?
Negative roles. I want to play the villain. I want
Yeah.
to play a very good villain, because I believe that today even the villains have changed. You know?
They are loved more than
Yeah,
heroes.
exactly. And it's because, as I said, as an actor, I think this is a golden time for actors.
Yeah, yeah.
Even for directors and producers and filmmakers alike, because of OTT, because of
Yeah.
everything, television and movies. आज लोग performances देख रहे हैं.
True.
पहले क्या था, 20 years ago it was about how good you dance, or can you do horse riding, or do you know martial arts. Even today that is important, but that is not the thing which sells you.
Yeah.
Today खाकी के लिए लोग performance की बात
हाँ,
कर रहे हैं. You know what I mean?
Storyline.
Exactly.
performance,
तो लोग को आज वो पसंद आ रहा है. तो I
Exactly.
think it's a very very good time for an actor to experiment.
Yeah.
I would love to play a bad guy. बस अच्छा रोल है.
But you know, Memo, after seeing Khaki and now, like I complimented you off camera, I really wish you get what you desire and looking forward for Hunter 2. Like, I am
Thank
more
you.
excited than you, I would say, for the film.
Thank you. It's coming out this year. It's
Oh.
coming out this year. In fact, आपके बात करने से पहले ही I was on the phone and Vikram Bhatt sir,
Yeah, yeah,
director,
I know.
he shared me a glimpse of the teaser जो हम लोग अभी आपको दिखाने वाले हैं. तो our schedule, we have the last schedule now. तो एक टीजर अभी निकलने वाला है. तो I hope you guys like it.
We will definitely, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, this is me, Mimo Chakravarti, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.